Hello. What we're going to do here is we're going to do a question from the surface area problems assignment. And again, similar to the video I created for area problems, I'm going to pick one question. I'm going to do it. And if it's a question that you didn't have a question about, but there's a question somewhere else that you have a question about, contact me. I'm missing you guys. I like to do my job, which is help you find folks. I want to help you. So if you're stuck, let me know. And I've mentioned this across my other videos as well as on the Facebook groups. You can contact me by email, phone, Facebook, whatever. Let me know you need help, and I'll be happy to help do that for you guys. I love math. I love working with you guys. So let's get right to it. Let's do some surface area here. So, what question are we going to do here? All these questions have some interesting parts to it. There is a lot of interesting things going on here. I suppose what I'll do, and I just kind of going off my own self here because you guys aren't here to give me feedback. I'm going to do number 6. So number 6 is a combination of two shapes. It's a cylinder, and with hemispheres on the end, which together makes a sphere. But the cylinder is not a true whole cylinder because the circular parts, the flat ends on the cylinder are being covered up. So that's going to alter how we figure out the surface area. So when we figure out the surface area, we'll figure out the surface area of the adjusted cylinder with the sphere, add them together, and that's all she wrote. Okay? So the traditional formula for the surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. As far as these formulas go, if you don't have them, you can just do a Google search for surface area formulas and they will come up. If you can't find them still, give me a shout. I will send them to you happily. You need the formulas to do these questions, so they're kind of important. So that's the formula for the regular surface area. Now, the thing is, though, this is not a regular cylinder because those ends aren't there. So because the ends aren't there, we get rid of that part. So the surface area of the cylinder that we're going to use is just 2 pi RH. So we'll start that off here. Surface area is 2 pi RH. So that's 2 pi. What's the radius? The radius would be 0.8. And the height would be 6. So let's see what we end up getting here. I'm going to go to my calculator, and I expect that if you're going to do this question, you have to go to your calculator as well. And when you do that, you should get to 2 decimal places, 30.16 meters squared. That's for the cylinder part. Now we got to do the sphere. It will be a whole sphere, so we definitely can do that on its own. So surface area of the sphere would be 4 pi r squared. So that's 4 pi. The radius is 0.8 squared. Now if we figure that out, 4 pi times 4, and we get 8.04 meters squared. To figure out the total surface area, just add those two guys together. 30.16 plus 8.04, and that gives us 38.20 meters squared. That's the surface area of the propane storage tank in number 6. Always remember your units. And that's how you do this question. If you have any questions about any other questions in this assignment, reach out to me and I'd be happy to help. I guess it really doesn't matter what question we do.